guys, so I'm not doing a Roblox video today, but Ocean never left, but he officially left this today, so yeah, RIP. Also, I'm downloading Fortnite on my computer, so yeah, I only have it on my iPhone. And we're gonna be playing PUBG, but first of all, we're gonna do, sorry guys. So, we're going to do, what is that called? Hold on. So we're gonna do my daily routine. Exactly. Let me test out if it's right. Okay. So today is my day. I'm gonna show you guys my daily routine. So first of all, I go on my iPhone, check my messages on every app when I come back from school. And so after that, I'll what is that called? I go on certain apps and check out entertainment. After that, it's just like 3 minutes. Okay. After that is I play Fortnite on my iPhone. Second of all, I grab my computer, record, and get everything ready and my mic and stuff. So yeah, we're going. That was really short. That's my daily routine for YouTube. So first of all, wake up, certain stuff. What is it called? Eat breakfast, all that stuff. And then go to school, and then the other stuff that I told you guys about. So yeah, we're gonna be playing Fortnite in honor, of, what is it called? Ocean. Cause he left the school. So yeah. Ocean, by the way, you can still play on your account. Your account is still accessible. Oh, you know I'm gonna use that. You know I'm gonna use that. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna use it, dude. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Title. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Pretty annoying. Items. Where's the thing, huh? Damage boost. Okay, I'm gonna use one of these. By the way, these are not for 1 minute, so oof. No. Why am I right there? I don't even show my thing, dude. Okay, let's go. Let's hope it's not a hard problem. Okay. That's easy. I say, that's easy. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I'm annoying you guys, probably. Here's 10. That's easy. That's easy. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Oh, why am level 30? Oh, level 35. Oh. Thousands? Ooh. What is it, thousands? Let's hope Prodigy doesn't stalk my history. There. How about that, huh? I'm cheating. I don't care. You know what? Never mind. Okay, goodbye. You're not helpful. 1,000. I don't know what's 1,000, okay? Here, let me try this. Okay, I'll do that. What? 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 This is pretty hard to be honest now. Let me try this. If it's not, don't it up. You're not helpful though. Okay, let's stop now. Ooh, okay. I know. Ooh, wait, there's what? What's your profanity? Come on, I don't know. Oh, no, no! Oh, wow. Oh. No, I'm gonna ask this to, Oh. Don't tell anyone. 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 Ooh. Ooh. I see you. What? Oh, hell no. Oh. Yeet. Nope. I'm out of here, dude. Um, okay. Oppenheimer. Oh no, he's gonna kill me. Yep. Understood. I'll use this guy. Oh yeah. Sorry for headphone users, guys. Yeah, he missed. Do do do. False. Yay! Yay! I can beat him. Oh hell yeah! Oh hell no! You're weak. You're weak. You're weak. False. False. I'm caught. Wow. Let's try this one again. Ooh. Ooh. Man, she wants my Santa 6. Order 2. Oh, go. Oh yeah, boy. How much? Okay. 60%. Okay, I see you, Fortnite. Oh yeah, boy. It's Wayne Levi. Not my real name. I don't want to be a member. I don't want to be a member. Okay, good. Thank you, Prodigy Jesus. Thank you, Prodigy Jesus. Now I have to go back. Oh my god, that was a waste of time, guys. How dare you waste my time? No! How dare you waste my time? You sick fool. How dare you? Now I'm invisible, see that? There. Even that was invisible. Wow! Yeah, this girl's trying to get hacked. Obviously. She's trying to get hacked. Jesus. Okay, 11, 20. 2 times 8. Oh! Perfect, boy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, dude. Oh, die. Oh. 9 times 8. What's 9 times 8? No, okay. 9 times 9. Oh. So dumb. Yay, money. I love money. Come on, I wanna finish the battle. Come on. Yeah, boy. He got wrecked. Boy. Oh, hell nah. Bye-bye, doo-doo. 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 Freddy, doo-doo. Come on, Prodigy. Come on. Come on. Come on, Prodigy. Well, I'm gonna have to refresh. Goodbye, Prodigy. I hate you. Okay. Yeah, got this go, dude. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and share. You don't have to. Have a great day, guys. Yeah. Have a great holiday too. And yeah, bye guys. Peace. If Ocean, if you sing this, I miss you. See ya.